how to get Fiverr promo code 2024. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, head over to any of the preferred web browser. Or if you're on your iOS device, move into Safari. Once you're in this page, in the source bar, search for Fiverr promo code 2024. Tons of different sites will be visible. Simply head over to any one of it. Let's move into this one. It will land you on this official page of promo code. You will be able to see tons of different offers and discounts. If you scroll down, you'll get to see more. From here, choose the specific offers and discount that you want. Once you have found, all you want to do is click on it, and the promo code will appear on the screen. What you want to do is tap on copy. Once you have copied the promo code, the next thing you want to do is head over to your application Fiverr, enter this promo code. If the promo code is valid, then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get Fiverr promo code 2024. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.